Minister N. Biren Singh announces 140 crore rupees allocation for Unity Mall for all 34 by 35 indigenous groups in Manipur, emphasizes unity among indigenous. MPCC team meet governor to address Manipur crisis after a heated confrontation with security forces in Imphal. Indian Army and Manipur Police recover 5 improvised explosive devices weighing 21.5 kg in ongoing security operation in Manipur vulnerable districts. And Elon Musk confirms Starlink satellite beams turned off over India following recovery of suspected Starlink router in Imphal East. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today announced the allocation of approximately 140 crore rupees for the construction of a market complex named Unity Mall from the 34 by 35 indigenous groups settled in Manipur, aimed at encouraging unity and bonds. The mall will be located in Kaikol, Imphal East. The announcement was made during the inaugural function of the Robve Nani 2024 festival at Asufi Robvena ground, Punaname village, Senapati district, where the Chief Minister officially opened the festival and lit the inaugural fire to mark the beginning of the 3-day event. The Chief Minister, accompanied by Works Minister Govindas Kontojam, MLA Losi Dikho and other dignitaries, visited the 21 stalls showcasing handlooms, handicrafts, organic vegetables and food products. During his address, he acknowledged the difficult situation the state had faced over the past 19 months, but expressed hope that things were slowly improving, attributing the change to divine intervention. He emphasized the importance of reconciliation and mutual respect among the state's diverse communities, stressing that inclusive development and peaceful coexistence were essential for Manipur's unity and progress. Biren further highlighted the significant role of the people of Senapati, particularly the civil society organizations, including the Naga People's Organization, United Naga Council, and Students Association in maintaining peace and unity across Manipur. He called for the cooperation of all indigenous and recognized communities in restoring normalcy and fostering peace in the state.
Matam-matamgi irang tholpa matamda missionary mayam Prabhu Jesus ki matamdasu tharaga wari saraga baptahanba taisanhanba afaba santi gi lamda purpasedum ishor gi matamda gi koi tawrag lai hojiksu I am seeking your help oi leiriba Senapati district leiriba or Manipur leiriba indigenous peoples nagasing leiriba mayam si gai nakoi gi cooperation nakoi gi support nakoi gi help I seek luxury so that normalcy and peace can be restored in the state of Manipur.
A heated confrontation broke out today outside the Congress Bhavan in Imphal as members of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC clashed with security forces during a nationwide protest. The protest, led by MPCC President K. Megachandra, CWC member Gaikangam, Deputy CLP leader K. Ranjit and other legislators were demanding restoration of peace to the ongoing crisis in Manipur and against the alleged monopolizations by the Adani Group. The protest began with a meeting inside Congress Bhavan, but tensions escalated when protesters attempted to march towards Raj Bhavan. Security forces, including the Rapid Action Force and Manipur Police, had set up barricades outside the Bhavan gate to prevent the procession. This led to a standoff with Congress workers trying to breach the barricades and raising slogans against the BJP-led central and state governments. The confrontation lasted for 5 to 10 minutes before security forces maintained control. Later, a 12-member MPCC delegation led by K. Megachandra successfully met with the governor. During the meeting, they submitted a memorandum outlining their concerns and demands, including urgent action to restore peace and address the ongoing crisis in the state. Speaking to the media afterward, Megachandra emphasized the need for immediate steps to bring normalcy and peace to Manipur, which has been facing turmoil for the past 19 months. Earlier the same day, Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya visited the ISCOM temple today, where they offered aarti to Lord Krishna, seeking blessings for the development and prosperity of the state. During his visit, the governor also interacted with students from the Bhakti Vedanta Institute Mission Higher Secondary School, inspiring them to dedicate themselves to the welfare and progress of both Manipur and the nation. His words encouraged the students to focus on contributing positively to society and to work towards a brighter future for all. In a shocking incident last night, 2 individuals were reportedly shot in their legs by unknown assailants at a paddy field close to Asha Club in Kundrakpam, Imphal East District. The incident occurred around 7:30 p.m. under the jurisdiction of Hengang Police Station. The injured have been identified as Takhil Changbam Himanta, age 55 years, son of T. Nodia from Sagolban Menu Lerak, and Yengkhom Kesho, age 55 years, son of Y. Ibuhul from Sekta Awang Lekai. Himanta is said to be a former cadre of the proscribed group Pripak. The motives behind the shooting remains unclear, and authorities have launched an investigation. Both victims were promptly taken to GNIMS Hospital for medical treatment. Further updates are awaited as the police continue their probe into the incident. In ongoing efforts to maintain security, security forces continued their search operations and area domination across the vulnerable hill and valley districts of Manipur. The Indian Army, in coordination with Manipur Police, successfully recovered 5 improvised explosive devices IEDs weighing approximately 21.5 kilograms across multiple locations. The recovered IEDs included one 5.5 kg IED, one 5 kg IED, one 4 kg IED, and two 3.5 kg IEDs. Additionally, authorities seized 25 meters of Cortex, a detonating cord from Korang Bridge near Mongham. In the operations, it is reported that crucial role were played by EVA, an Army explosive detective dog, along with the bomb disposal squad, who assisted in the detection and recovery process. In another such operation, security forces also seized a variety of weapons and ammunition from Phaileng in Kangpokpi district. The items recovered included one SMG carbine with a magazine, one country-made cannon Pampi 10.7.62 39mm rounds, 6 5.56mm rounds, and 5 9mm rounds. These seizures are part of the ongoing crackdown on illegal arms in the region. Following the seizure of an internet satellite router tagged Starlink from an area in Imphal East in Manipur recently by the security forces, SpaceX founder Elon Musk has clarified that Starlink satellite beams are turned off over India. In his response to an expose by a user who claimed that Starlink was being misused by terrorists, Musk denied the allegation, stating that this is false and confirming that Starlink satellite beams had been deactivated over India. According to a police statement, the recovered items included an internet satellite antenna, a satellite router, and approximately 20 meters of FTP cables. Although the police did not officially mention the name Starlink in their release, media outlets quickly identified a Starlink tag on the router, which went viral. Starlink, a product of Musk SpaceX, is known for providing uninterrupted global internet and communication services. As of now, there has been no official confirmation on whether the seized device is indeed a Starlink router. Meanwhile, it has been reported that over 3,000 Starlink dishes are operational across neighboring Myanmar, according to the Myanmar Internet Project. Now let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back.
India ki mafam singda yohon bada mating pangliba ONDC network maming lairaba Mayra Foods ki founder na kari hairi
government ki initiative amani haibagi na ahong mamanda service provide to bagi amo odasida khoida kwai chana bam oigani haidana halaga tawgi ni sina bada nungai rabani na mayam su si kana bada robi habde haidani
ONDC yauduna dong ki product India sunba thungna yolasi akopa marol ki damak 7628043003 da contact to
Admission open. Honeycomb Foundation School Mongsangi Bore Makongi English ngani kun mga kuntaruki oina academic session daycare dagi class 3 fawgi oina admission to hojere. School asi qualified amani train to roboza singna angang singna tunggia sa uhanduna takpitambiri. Pizari ba kudong saba singa dudi mama pa sa pana ba angang ani natraga masidagi helabadi ani suba angang oina sada contra discount pizari aduga ahum suba angang oina free admission pizari. Loina na relief camp natraga irang sokalaba mafam singi damaktadi free admission pizari. Van service jahi ga sana raba sanaport Ningtina Sentin Hazilaba classroom sing Luina CCTV camera, January kun English singani kun mga fawagi manung the admission tawrabadi, Sada Yankay discount pizari, akak naba sit karakatani, Kudong Saba Silawi ho, ngasi ma office the Latuna Tanabiho, office hour 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Welcome back. A state-level convention was organized today by the All Manipur Minority Unorganized Workers Union, AMUVO, under the aegis of the All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC Manipur at Sangay Yumpham Part 2, Cherapur Mayai Lekha in Tomwal District. The event saw the participation of several prominent figures, including L. Sotin Kumar, General Secretary of AITUC Manipur H. Subhas, President of AMUVO, Rahimna Begum Raj, General Secretary of AMUVO K.H. Samungo, Secretary of AITUC Manipur, and Pulindro, President of Moray Meitei Council, Haji Abdul Kalamt Azad, Social Worker Haji Arafat, President of Meitei Pangal Council Manipur, and P.H. Firoj Khan, Joint Secretary of AMUVO, among others. In his speech, L. Sotin Kumar emphasized the importance of unorganized workers, stating that the welfare of such workers should be a priority. He highlighted that the AITUC's efforts were directed towards improving the livelihood of unorganized workers through welfare boards and various welfare programs. He also spoke about the importance of a political dialogue to address the ongoing unrest in Manipur.
Adugumba Manipur Landar Akibasing Maranda, a question missing Amukayena, who don't deny with a few moments of my own. She a question of the reality. A question downy, the toy of sing sad, but she put up on the high Haroki Prime Minister Kedonga. 2 million is Mukarigino. I quite high a training in commission, political dialogue. What is under Kanda? Solution for Lugona view. Political solution for Sinatra Topula people.
In a bid to promote a green revolution among students, Smart Universal Academy in Sekmai Jin Kuno, Kaching District distributed bicycles to the top performing students from class 6 to 9. This initiative is part of the school's newly launched Green Revolution mission. The event also marked the release of the school calendar for the year 2025. The ceremony was attended by several key figures, including the Secretary of Smart Universal Academy, Konthojam Kiran, Assistant Secretary of Administration, K. Ratand, School Principal, Dr. Mayangbam Pishak, Vice Principal, L. Hichandra, Headmaster of Administration, U. Bishwakanta, and Headmaster of Examination and Teaching Staff, M. Dayan Joy, among others. A preliminary feasibility study was conducted yesterday for a comprehensive road connectivity proposal aimed at enhancing infrastructure in Tanga constituency. The initiative, supported by officials and engineers from the PWD department, along with community leaders such as LDA Chairman Morangtim Ashni Kumar, is set to bring significant progress to the regions. The proposal includes the widening, resurfacing, and upgrading of existing roads, as well as the development of new routes to improve connectivity. Key areas include the approach road to Tanga from Sendra and Kaibul, the Moirang Kuno Kaibul stretch, and the Kaibul Kaisoi Sendra road. Comprehensive improvements are planned for roads around Tanga Hillock, including the construction of retaining walls, drainage system, and breaches. Ashni Kumar expressed gratitude to the Chief Minister, Works Minister, and the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for supporting the proposal and directing the PWD department to prepare a detailed project report. He emphasized that the project aims to revitalize the region's historic ties and foster economic growth. Now the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh announces 140 crore rupees allocation for Unity Mall for all 34 by 35 indigenous group in Manipur, emphasizes unity among indigenous. MPCC team meet governor to address Manipur crisis after a heated confrontation with security forces in Imphal. Indian Army and Manipur Police recover 5 improvised explosive devices weighing 21.5 kg in ongoing security operation in Manipur vulnerable districts. And Elon Musk confirms Starlink satellite beams turned off over India following recovery of suspected Starlink router in Imphal East. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Stay tuned as more news updates will be coming up at 8 p.m. Until then, have a good evening.